Did you know a short workout possibly removes a bad headache at work? Yes, the next time you are about to pop an aspirin, simply go for a 10-minute walk. It's as effective as a painkiller. Turns out, micro-workouts are great for us. Even one 10-minute brisk walk in between work can give us a breather for a few hours. It's like a health topper, Rs 10 recharge, but for your rebalancing and mental and emotional health. These days on YouTube, you will see a lot of 10 to 15-minute workouts. Even they are a great way to rebalance ourselves. First reason is that they help us stay more focused. During our workouts, we don't slacken because we know we just have 10 minutes of workout, so we better give it our all. Second, a 20-minute HIIT will give you better results than a 50-minute workout. Also, it will give you a better repair time for your muscles. Third, believe it or not, but even 10 minutes of exercise a day can give you better sleep. 4. You will also run out of excuses to miss your workouts that you don't have time. All you need to have a fitness routine is 15 minutes a day at home. In 1 week, that will be 90 minutes, an hour and a half. Of course, Sunday will be a rest day. That's quite an impressive number, and if you stay consistent, imagine how much fitter, stronger, energetic it is going to make you. Fifth, avoid the risk of an overworkout. Too much of anything is bad, and that also goes for workouts. When people push their workouts too hard, they can often get muscle tear, depleted fluids, or something even worse. By sticking to shorter workouts, you avoid overstraining your body and give it just the right amount of work it needs that doesn't interfere with your otherwise busy lifestyle. So instead of no workouts, make friends with micro workouts. On YouTube, you can get 10 or 15-minute workouts for specific areas like core, arms, legs, etc. That way, you can focus on a specific area on one day and give equal importance to each area over the week. Micro workouts are a great way to get your body moving, and as a result, make for a stronger, better, more healthy you. For more videos on mind, body and soul, keep following our space.